What if I told you the crypto markets just witnessed something that hasn't happened in the entire 2025 bull cycle? Derivatives mindshare has literally exploded to 13.13%, the highest level we've seen this cycle, while a Peter Thiel-backed project is emerging as the next ASTER with a shocking 50% surge overnight. This is Crypto Pulse, and you need to understand what's happening right now. Hey everyone, Alex from Moonward Capital here with your 6-minute Crypto Pulse Flash update. If you're new to the channel, we deliver actionable crypto intelligence twice daily to keep you ahead of the crowd. Today, we're breaking down the massive shift happening in the derivatives sector. A transformation so significant, it's reshaping the entire market structure. Let's dive right in. First, let's get a quick snapshot of where the major assets stand right now. Bitcoin holding steady at $115,641, down just slightly at 0.35%. Ethereum following a similar pattern at 4,982s, down 0.25%. But here's where things get interesting. BNB has just printed a fresh all-time high at 1,000 FIDM, up an impressive 4.58%. But the real story is happening in the derivatives sector, which has absolutely exploded to 13.13% mindshare. That's a 122% surge and represents the highest level we've seen this entire cycle. So what exactly is driving this derivatives explosion? It all starts with ASTER, which continues to consolidate its parabolic run at 1.61, still up an impressive 32% as the flagship perpetual DEX that rewrote the rules. But here's where it gets fascinating. We're seeing a rotation play unfold in real time as Avantis, AVNT, has exploded 50% overnight to 2.11, capturing trader attention as what many are calling the next ASTER. What makes AVNT particularly interesting is its Peter Thiel backing and its position as a native perp DEX on base. This isn't just random speculation. This is smart money positioning in the next wave of derivatives infrastructure. Looking at sector performance more broadly, we're witnessing something truly remarkable. Derivatives leading at 13%, buyback strong at 19.5% as protocol revenue sharing becomes a dominant narrative. CEX tokens showing impressive strength at 7.34%. Traditional L1s holding steady at 12.57%. This isn't just a temporary pump. This is a fundamental shift in where capital is flowing in the crypto markets. We're seeing a rotation from speculative assets to infrastructure plays with sustainable revenue models. But here's what most market analysts are completely missing. This isn't just about individual tokens like ASTER or AVNT. This is about the entire derivatives infrastructure becoming the new blue chips of this cycle. So what does this mean for your portfolio? First, the derivatives mindshare explosion to 13.13% suggests we're still early in this infrastructure shift. When a sector hits cycle highs, it typically means institutional capital is just beginning to take positions. Second, we're seeing validation that the derivatives space can support multiple winners. It's not a zero-sum game where only ASTER can succeed. And third, with BNB hitting fresh all-time highs, we're seeing exchange infrastructure strength that further validates the entire trading ecosystem narrative. Now here's how smart money is positioning right now. They're not concentrating on single tokens. They're building exposure across the entire derivatives infrastructure sector. They're particularly focused on protocols with institutional backing, like Peter Thiel with AVNT, sustainable tokenomics models, cross-chain integration capabilities. The question isn't whether to get exposure to derivatives infrastructure. It's how to structure that exposure for maximum upside while managing concentration risk. As we wrap up this Crypto Pulse Flash update, I want you to ask yourself, are you positioned for the derivatives revolution, or are you still focused on yesterday's narratives? If you found this analysis valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get these actionable insights twice daily. Remember, at Moonward Capital, we help you stay ahead of the crowd. This has been Alex with your Crypto Pulse Flash update. Our next update drops in 12 hours with fresh market intelligence you won't want to miss. Until then, trade smart and stay ahead.